Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to AuthVaultix Webhook Log works. With this system, any logs sent from the client side are automatically saved to your website dashboard and at the same time pushed directly to your Discord server in real time. Setup is simple. First, create a webhook inside your Discord server. Copy the webhook URL, then paste into your AuthVaultix application setting under webhook section. That's it, you're ready to go. Now, whenever a send user log or trigger any custom event, the system will store the log in your database, instantly send a formatted embedded message to Discord, and everything is secure. The webhook is never exposed to the client. The flow is client, server, and a database and a webhook. This ensures maximum security with real-time monitoring. If you want full control and instant alert for authentication system, AuthVaultix Webhook integration is a must-have feature. You can start using AuthVaultix today by visiting authvaultix.com. Download the SDK, integrate it into your app, and secure your software in a minute. If you have any problem, you can use a built-in support chat on our website or join our Discord server or direct help from the team. Thanks for watching.